We are here outside of World Trade Center. This is another place. Another, I don't understand, another corner of the, how could I say, another part of New York, something like that. Think, look at that very high building. Look at that. Ay, see, World, outside World Trade Center. The husband is there. Akala nyo lang ha, wala akong husband na. Malalaki itong mga building dito sa America, New York. Ang lalaki nila, oh. See? Ayan, oh. World Trade Center. Si Kuya. Andun pa. Design ata. Andun pa sa baba. Maganda itong napuntahan namin. It's nice. Bye!